If you're serious about protecting yourself on the road, your dashcam can be your ultimate lifeline. The right one captures crystal clear footage, provides crucial evidence in accidents, and gives you peace of mind. But with hundreds of options flooding the market, how do you know which one's actually worth your money? Well, we did the hard work for you. We researched the top dash cams of this year. Want to know which is the right one for you? We ranked the 5 best based on video quality, durability, features, and value. And trust me, the number 1 pick is an absolute game changer that could literally save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, proving that great things come in small packages. This compact beast is perfect for drivers who want a no-fuss, high-quality dashcam without breaking the bank. At first glance, its size is its most striking feature. So small, it practically disappears behind your rearview mirror. Don't let its small size fool you, though. The Mini 3 packs a serious punch, with full HD 1080p video recording and a wide 140-degree viewing angle. Garmin's reputation for quality shines through in every detail. The built-in polarizing lens is a game-changer, dramatically reducing windshield reflections that can often muddy dashcam footage. Setup is a breeze. No complicated installation, no technical expertise required. Simply attach it to your windshield and you're ready to go. The landscape design ensures you capture maximum road coverage, while the Garmin Drive app makes reviewing footage as simple as a few taps on your smartphone. One notable improvement over its predecessor is the enhanced design. The polarizing filter might seem like a minor upgrade, but it makes a significant difference in video clarity. Glare reduction means clearer, more detailed footage. Exactly what you want when documenting road incidents. The trade-offs? No GPS tracking, and you'll need to supply your own microSD card. There's no built-in screen either, so all controls and footage review happen through the app. But for budget-conscious drivers seeking reliable protection, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 delivers exceptional value. Next up is the 70mm Dashcam Omni, a revolutionary device that completely reimagines what a dashcam can do. Its standout feature? A unique 360-degree rotating camera that provides unprecedented flexibility in capturing road footage. Traditional dashcams are fixed, limiting your view to whatever's directly in front of you. Not the Omni. With a simple rotation, you can switch from recording the road ahead to monitoring your car's interior. It's like having a personal security guard for your vehicle. The camera offers 1080p resolution at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. While not 4K, the video quality is impressive, especially in low-light conditions. The f1.8 lens performs remarkably well during night driving, capturing details other dashcams might miss. AI-powered features elevate the Omni beyond a simple recording device. Motion detection and threat-level processing means your car remains monitored even when you're not around. Imagine getting an instant alert if someone approaches your parked vehicle. That's the kind of peace of mind the Omni provides. User experience is another strong point. The interface is intuitive, with fun graphics and animations that make interacting with the device enjoyable. Voice controls add an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to manage settings hands-free. For budget-conscious buyers wanting something more than a standard dashcam, the 70mm Omni offers unique features at a reasonable price point. Want full cloud backup? You'll need to purchase the 4G hardware kit separately, but the base model still offers impressive functionality. For the best prices on these dashcams, check the links in the description box below. Starting off our top 3 is the Mio 5 S1 Ultra, a dashcam that shatters expectations about what budget devices can deliver. Priced under $100, it offers 4K recording, integrated GPS, and lightning-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, a combination rarely seen at this price point. Video quality is where the S1 Ultra truly shines. The 4K 30fps recording captures sharp, detailed footage with remarkable noise control. Even in challenging low-light conditions, the camera maintains impressive clarity. It's like having a professional cinematographer documenting your every drive. The integrated GPS is a significant bonus, automatically logging your location and speed. This feature can be crucial when providing evidence in accident disputes or insurance claims. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures you can quickly transfer footage to your smartphone without frustrating delays. Setup is straightforward. Within minutes, you'll have a professional-grade dashcam ready to protect you on the road. Mio 5 also offers bundling options with rear dashcams in both 2K and 4K, allowing for comprehensive vehicle coverage. However, limitations do exist. The 30 FPS cap might disappoint those wanting super smooth 60 FPS footage, and the windscreen mount could be more robust. But these are minor quibbles considering the exceptional value offered. Our runner-up is the Nextbase 622GW, a dashcam that sets the standard for what a high-end recording device should be. Its 4K 30fps footage is nothing short of cinematic, delivering crisp definition and outstanding detail that will make you feel like you're watching a professional film. Low-light performance is where the 622GW truly excels. Advanced algorithms ensure clear, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Drop it back to 1080p though, and you get 120 FPS slow-motion capabilities, perfect for capturing critical details like license plates or unexpected road events. The built-in polarizing filter is a standout feature, dramatically reducing windscreen glare. Digital image stabilization ensures smooth footage, eliminating the jerky movement common in lesser dashcams. Road vibrations? Completely absorbed. Nextbase's innovative What 3 Words integration is a game-changer for emergency situations. If an accident occurs, the dashcam can pinpoint your exact location and send it to emergency services. It's like having a digital co-pilot watching over your safety. The 3-inch touchscreen might take some getting used to, but the swipe inputs required are fairly intuitive. Smartphone connectivity can occasionally be temperamental, but these are minor inconveniences in an otherwise exceptional device. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our choice for the #1 dashcam of this year is the Nextbase iQ. A device so advanced it redefines what we expect from vehicle surveillance. This isn't just a dashcam. It's a comprehensive automotive security system. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, the iQ offers unprecedented features. Voice-activated witness mode, parking assistance, and the ability to check on your vehicle remotely via the Nextbase app transform your car into a smart, protected environment. The iQ's most impressive feature is its always-on connectivity. Powered directly from your car's battery, it remains active even when the engine's off. Interior and optional rear-facing cameras provide 360-degree protection. Want to know what's happening around your vehicle? Simply check the app. Video quality is extraordinary. Crisp, clear footage in multiple resolutions ensures you capture every detail. The setup process is remarkably simple, and the app interface makes accessing features intuitive. Yeah, the full feature set requires a paid subscription, which might deter some users. But for those serious about vehicle protection, the Nextbase iQ represents the pinnacle of dashcam technology. For the best prices on all these incredible dashcams, check the links in the description box below. Which dashcam caught your eye? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay safe out there.